Want to know how to make money in 2024? As we journey into the future, the landscape of money making is evolving rapidly. This change is being driven by innovation, creativity, and clever investment strategies. The economy of tomorrow promises exciting new opportunities for those who are ready to adapt and seize them. Whether it's technology breakthroughs or smart investments, the future is full of potential. So, are you ready to surf this wave of change? Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process to financial success in 2024. First and foremost, embrace the power of technology. As we move towards 2024, technology will play a pivotal role in how we generate income. The digital world has opened up a wealth of opportunities. Online businesses are thriving, and digital literacy, the ability to understand and use information in multiple formats from digital sources, is no longer a bonus, but a requirement. Consider the potential of emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries, creating new job opportunities and making businesses more efficient. Robotics, too, is a promising field, with automation increasing productivity and reducing costs. And let's not forget blockchain, a technology that's reshaping the financial landscape and creating a new wave of opportunities. These technological advancements aren't just trends, they're the future. And the future is now. To stay competitive and profitable in 2024, we must adapt and evolve with these changes. Harnessing technology is no longer an option, but a necessity for financial growth. Next, learn to invest wisely. As we move through 2024, investing is more crucial than ever. It's not just about stashing money in a bank account, it's about actively growing your wealth. And how do you do that? By diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different asset classes, from stocks and bonds to real estate and commodities. But the investment landscape in 2024 isn't just about traditional assets. We're seeing the rise of cryptocurrencies, digital assets that are reshaping the financial world. They offer a new way to invest, one that can potentially yield high returns. And let's not forget about green and sustainable investments. As the world strives to become more eco-friendly, companies that prioritize sustainability are proving to be lucrative investment options. So, take the time to study these trends, understand them, and then make informed investment decisions. Remember, a wise investor is a wealthy investor. In summary, to make money in 2024, you need to keep your eyes on the future, embracing technology as a powerful tool for wealth creation. Remember, smart and informed investing can make all the difference in this rapidly changing economic landscape. Wisely choose where you put your money, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. With these steps, you're on your way to financial success in 2024. Start today and reap the benefits tomorrow.